AgoraMaven is an agentic, AI-driven strategy and operations platform for early-stage startups to validate, launch, and scale. As a founder, you provide the basic information on your idea or business, either manually or directly by uploading your available business documents, for example, your pitch deck. You can upload multiple documents, such as your executive summary or financials. Our AI then processes and extracts your business details. You then get a chance to review the extracted information. You have the option to modify or add additional information. For instance, you can describe your objectives and milestones in the upcoming months to be considered in your strategy. After you approve your basic business data, as the one who is driving your business, you are asked to set your strategic realism gauge, which are the key strategic parameters in terms of your resource allocation and growth ambitions. A real-time indicator shows you an overall estimate on the strategic risk level. You are then all set, and your business profile is created. You can confirm and start the Maven analysis, our AI engine that analyzes and generates the strategy for your business in less than 5 minutes. After that, you get a comprehensive dashboard, which gives you quick overview on different aspects of your startup, from your basic business data to timelines, key metrics, real-time personalized market scanning, an ecosystem scouting radar, and a business model canvas. On the left-hand sidebar, you have 3 main navigation categories: Command, Analytics and Overview, and Operations. In the Command category, you get the tools to enforce and update your strategic input and decisions. For example, Project Genome is a semantic layer that constructs a business's DNA of your organization. In general, you can evolve and iterate your strategy by adding new data and pushing the changes to the Sync Maven, which collects the new changes for the next Maven run. You can also run an investability analysis, providing insights on your current investability strengths, gaps, and critical vulnerabilities. You also get instructions how to improve. In the Data Hub, you can track all your uploaded documents and what your data gaps are towards being investor-ready. You also get a full overview and details on your working documents and their status in different pipelines, where you can selectively push them to the Sync Maven for the next iteration. In the financials, you can generate a comprehensive financial model customized to your industry and business idea, from revenue and expenses projections to cash flow and fund capital allocation. In the data rooms, you can create and manage different data rooms to be shared with investors, partners, and accelerators. In the Maven analysis, you get comprehensive insights on your business, from a market research dashboard to the business development, leading you towards a 5-year strategic plan. Similarly, for your product or service development, marketing, sales, and for financial planning, you have dashboards providing real-time, customized strategic insights. You also have an updated 5-year business plan in hand, describing your business that you can immediately download or share. You also have an environmental analysis tool, which audits your business impact and emissions, guiding you through a greener entity transformation. In the operations panel, you can assemble your team by adding the team members and get team gap analysis on the project and individual levels with a clear scoring system. Based on your goals, company status, and with a plan in hand, the strategic tasks are generated for each company workstream and growth phase in the upcoming 7 years. You have a monitoring board where you can track progress of each task. You are provided with KPIs and metrics to monitor your performance. All tasks are labeled with a workstream, development phase, suggested role to assign, and impact analysis via a business validation scoring. You can set deadline, assign a team member, and instantly get detailed description and execution steps and definition of done for each task. Similar to the task management feature, you get a 7-year strategic hiring plan. You get a dedicated monitoring board to manage your open positions, where you can create new open positions with automated job descriptions. You can immediately publish and advertise the open positions to the Agora Talent Network. You can easily track your recruitment pipeline, which is also connected to the Agora Talent. This is a candidate matching tool from the Agora Talent Network, connecting startups and talents. Fundraising could be very frustrating. With AgoraMaven, you can launch different investor pipelines. You can autofill your investment asks and narrative from your current company genome and get curated investor lists. You can manage your investor outreach emails in a dedicated board. You also have access to all of your investor research history. Before I forget, with only one click, you can directly draft a customized email and send it to the investor. Similarly, you have another CRM in hand to find and track different non-dilutive fundings. Let's say you want to send a proposal to get a funding or apply to a VC or accelerator. You can easily provide the corresponding URL or upload the questionnaire to our proposal agent and just sip your coffee or tea, because this agent drafts all the answers for you. If you want to do context-aware communications for targeted audience like customers, partners, media, and more, you can use the communication agent, which drafts the communication content with your desired tonation mode. You have now everything in place and running. Don't forget your pitch deck. The pitch deck builder generates investor-ready pitch decks for your defined target audience and focus. Now I would like to invite you to the Agora Hub, an integrated venture ecosystem where your startup will be visible to the investors, VCs, and accelerators. You can promote and make visibility to the investors by sharing your startup profile. Investors and accelerators can directly connect with you, request additional information, and invite you to their deal flow or cohorts. If you have any questions or you stuck somewhere, ask Maven, your AI assistant. Maven acts as a friendly mentor that is always there for you to make AgoraMaven a pleasant and intuitive experience for you. Thank you for your attention.